Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into a true piece of early 60s American automotive history, the 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. Known for its bold styling, comfort, and powerful V8 performance, the Dynamic 88 was one of Oldsmobile's most popular models of the era. Let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and then wrap it up with a final conclusion. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 received a complete redesign compared to the 59 model. It ditched the huge, sweeping fins of the previous year for a more refined, squared-off look that better matched the styling trends of the new decade. At the front, you'll notice the wide, horizontal grille with quad headlights integrated into the design, giving the car a commanding presence on the road. The side profile is long and sleek, with sharp character lines and plenty of chrome trim that highlights the Dynamic 88's premium status. Out back, the tailfins were toned down, replaced with subtle, sculpted rear fenders and round taillights that became a signature Oldsmobile look. The Dynamic 88 came in multiple body styles, including a 2-door and 4-door sedan, hardtop, convertible, and even a station wagon, making it a versatile choice for families and enthusiasts alike. Interior. Moving to the interior, the Dynamic 88 was all about space and comfort. Step inside and you're greeted with a wide, sweeping dashboard design, featuring large, easy-to-read gauges and chrome accents throughout. The seats were plush bench style, available in a variety of fabrics and vinyl combinations, comfortably seating up to 6 passengers. The steering wheel was large and stylish, often two-toned, and many models came with the famous Oldsmobile Rocket emblem proudly displayed at the center. Buyers could also opt for modern amenities of the time, such as power steering, power brakes, and even air conditioning, luxuries that made long-distance cruising much more enjoyable. Overall, the cabin reflected Oldsmobile's commitment to both style and practicality. Performance. Now let's talk performance, one of the Dynamic 88's strongest suits. Under the hood, the 1960 model came standard with Oldsmobile's proven 394 cubic inch Rocket V8 engine, producing around 315 horsepower when paired with the 2-barrel carburetor. For those wanting more punch, a 4-barrel version was available with up to 325 horsepower, delivering smooth yet strong acceleration. Power was sent to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual or the optional Jetaway Hydra-Motich automatic transmission. Despite its size, the Dynamic 88 offered a surprisingly smooth ride thanks to its sturdy suspension setup. It wasn't a sports car, but it delivered exactly what buyers of the time wanted: effortless highway cruising, strong reliability, and the unmistakable feel of American 5.8 power. So, to wrap things up, the 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 was a perfect balance of style, comfort, and performance. It captured the spirit of early 60s American motoring: bold looks, a roomy interior, and plenty of power under the hood. For collectors today, the Dynamic 88 remains an attractive classic thanks to its distinctive design and historical importance in Oldsmobile's lineup. Whether you're a fan of big-body American cruisers, or just love the charm of vintage Detroit iron, the 1960 Dynamic 88 definitely deserves a spot on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into classic American cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive history right here on the channel.